Ananya. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Ready for the interview?
Yes.
Okay, let's start then. Okay, so do you have any questions before I start?
No.
Okay, let's go. All the best.
Thank you.
No problem. So, my first question to you is why did you apply to this position with our organization and what do you know about us?
So, I applied to York Professional Care and Education because your company is known for providing inclusive, child centered learning environments. And I really appreciate how you focus on supporting every child's developmental, social, and emotional needs. As an OTA PTA graduate, I was drawn to your company because uh, you emphasize collaboration between educators, families, and support staff. That aligns strongly with my training, where teamwork and communication are essential. I want to contribute to an organization that prioritizes safety, development, and meaningful engagement for children. And your company really stands out for that.
That's great. So tell me about a time when you were unsuccessful or disappointed in yourself and what happened at that time and what would you do differently?
Um, so, once during my OTA PTA placement, I supported a small group exercise program, and I felt really disappointed because I realized afterwards that a couple of clients needed more one on one attention and more one on one help than I provided. I was so focused on managing the group as a whole that I did not adjust the session early enough to meet each person's needs. If I could redo the situation, I would slow down, check in more frequently, and modify the activity sooner for the individuals who needed different levels of assistance. That experience taught me the importance of observing closely and adapting in the moment, which is something that I continue to apply when supporting children with different learning needs.
That's a good strategy. So tell me about a time when you experienced conflict with a colleague and what were the circumstances, how did you handle it, and what would you do differently?
Um, Give me a minute, please. I
Sure.
have to think about it. Mm. So, in my OTA PTA program, I ran into the situation during placement where a colleague and I had different expectations about dividing tasks for a busy treatment day. So, it created some tension between uh, both of us because we both felt overwhelmed because it was a busy day. I approached them privately and I explained how I felt, and I made sure that I listened to their perspective as well because we have to communicate. So we realized that the issue was just a misunderstanding. So we created a quick plan for who would handle what. And after that conversation, our teamwork was much smoother, I would say. In the future, I would try to clarify responsibilities at the very start of the shift because that one experience taught me how important clear communication and mutual respect is, especially in environments where we support uh, other individuals.
Okay, so tell me more about your proudest accomplishments.
Um, so I remember this from the top of my brain because one of my proudest accomplishment was during the placement as well, where I supported a client who struggled with participation and motivation. I used different techniques to get the client to engage. I broke down the task into smaller steps. I offered positive reinforcements and I gave them simpler choices. So by the end of my time there at the placement, the client was more confident in engaging without any hesitation, and their progress was noticed by my supervising therapist. So knowing that my support helped them gain independence and believe in themselves was really very extremely rewarding to me. And I bring that same patience and encouragement when working with children.
That's a great thing. Okay, so based on your knowledge, skills, and experiences from the OTPDA program, why are you the best fit for this position?
So, as an OTA PTA graduate, I have strong skills in communication, behavior support, active planning, and adapting tasks based on developmental and sensory needs according to the client. I am trained to follow therapy based plans, observe behaviors, document progress, and support individuals in a way that promotes independence and confidence. I have worked with clients of different ages and abilities, which taught me consistency, empathy, and how to keep environments safe and engaging. These skills transfer directly to an educational assistant role, especially when supporting children who may need a little extra help with emotional regulation and fine motor skills, communication, or their activities of daily living. I am very calm, very patient, and very adaptable, and I enjoy building positive and supportive relationships. I believe these qualities make me a stronger fit for your organization.
Okay, so we are at the end of the interview. So, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I actually do have one.
Mm-hmm.
So, I want to ask you, what does a typical day look like for an educational assistant in your program?
Actually, it's not a very busy day for this position, but you know the child behavior as you are just working more with the children.
Yeah.
So you have to focus on one more like on so you have to give time each children differently, and you have to take care of them, and you will learn more about when you are working. So yeah, it's the thing you're gonna learn during this placement, like the position. So you don't have to worry about it.
It's okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this interview, and nice to meet you, Ananya.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, have a great day.
Thank you.